Okay, hi, my name's Josh. Hopefully you're here because you are having problems with your Ryobi garage door opener. I bought this Ryobi garage door opener because it looks awesome. It's got a lot of features, but it's got some problems with it, and Ryobi hopefully will work those out in the long run. But for now, I had to come up with my own fixes, and I'm here to help you because I had a hard time finding information on how to get the Wi-Fi connected because it wasn't working automatically through the app, and also the indoor keypad works like crap. It's a wireless keypad, and it doesn't work very well. So to save you time from watching the entire video, the short answer to get it to connect to Wi-Fi is change your Wi-Fi password. Make it very simple. Make it all uppercase or all lowercase letters. No symbols, no numbers, and you'll probably get it to connect. So the longer answer is, before I did all that, I put it on my guest network because I don't want to change my regular network to that easy of a password. And I took power. I pulled power from my garage door opener, left that unplugged for a few minutes. I removed the batteries from the, I don't remember what they're called, the door sensor and the receiver that you also have to hook up to Wi-Fi, which tells the system where the door is at, whether it's up or down. So I unplugged all those, and then the app. In the app itself, there's when you're looking at your garage door opener, if you've tried to install it and maybe got partway through, it might be in there. I was able to get mine to open and shut, but it wasn't telling me the indication of whether it was open or shut. And sometimes, the first time I tried to install, I couldn't even get it installed at all. But in the app, though, you need to clear all the data, clear the device. If it's not working 100%, go to the top right corner. There's 3 little dots. Click on those dots. If nothing happens, then there's no device installed. If it does, it'll go to the device, and at the very bottom, you can basically uninstall it or forget this device or whatever the wording is that it says. So do all that. I actually removed the app from my phone and then reinstalled the app. And then I came back out here. I plugged in my garage door opener. I put fresh batteries in the door sensor and receiver, and started over. With the Wi-Fi password simplified to, I used an 8-character, all lowercase. I was able to get on the network or get this thing hooked up, and I was able to walk through and get it all working. Great, everything's working. Guess what? The silly keypad wasn't working still. So you've got this... You got this keypad to open and shut the garage door. Mine was intermittently working. It wasn't working very well. So I got a couple options for you. So the first option would be to, there's a receiver over here on the garage door. Get up here. I apologize here. Let's see. So this little box right here is the receiver. So there's 2 options. One is you open up the box, and there's a wire. This black wire is coiled up inside the box. That's the antenna that receives it. So all I did was uncoil that. I drilled a hole in the back. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not focused very well, but drill a hole in the back, pull it out, and set that thing, straighten it out. Get it as long as you can. That seems to work for me. The other option is you, where this thing plugs in, instead of plugging that in there, you actually run, at one point I hooked it up to my wires here, which go back over by my garage door indoor keypad. They came out this wall, so I hooked it up right here. And then I just put this plate. It's got that receiver over there has a magnet on the back. And I just set it right here. And that seems to work as well. And I did that before taking the antenna out. But I didn't like having the wires here, and I didn't feel like dealing with it. And I found another post that told me about the antenna that was inside of it. So I removed that antenna, pulled it out. Everything seems to be working. I push it, and voila, it's opening. I push it again. There you go, it stopped. Push it again. And I don't have to hold it down. I don't have to hit it a bunch of times, at least not yet. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you fix your Ryobi garage door opener, because I was excited to get this thing, and I was kind of irritated when it didn't work very well, and I couldn't get it hooked up to Wi-Fi, and I kept having problems with it. So yeah, simplify your Wi-Fi password. Reset the software. Unplug your Wi-Fi, or I mean your garage door opener, and start over from scratch. Make sure you have a simple password. And let's see. The only other thing I did was on my phone itself, and I don't know if this helped or not, but I went to the networks and I forgot all my other networks so that it wouldn't my phone wouldn't automatically jump to one of those other networks. I don't think that's necessary, but I did take that step just as a precaution. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you.